Hello, my name is Rez. I'm a professional game programmer and I do electrical engineering as a hobby. This is our Robot Advent Calendar by 8, and we are on day 10. I have no idea what this is. I've given up on guessing now. I officially give up now that I'm right once. Tear this thing open. It's wire. Okay, I didn't expect wire for sure. I would have gotten that one wrong. So these are just connector cable things. So these are going to clip whatever we get in day 11. My assumption is that's what these guys are going to clip to, although 11 is pretty small, so I'm not actually sure what we have. And I'm not sure what they're going to have us do with these wires, so let's find out. This one might be a pretty small day. Light switches. The motor. So is this for the motor to plug into? Is that what this is for? Today you'll find two double cables with plugs and sockets will be used to flexibly extend the LED connections. Okay, so we're just going to put the through hole pins in here. I assume we're going to get some kind of connector, but we may not, like some kind of other side of this connector. The white LED can now assemble. This is just a classic transistor turning on a motor. This is what I talked about in that technical video. So we're going to have to hook up this motor to this transistor. So the idea here is that we have this light just like we did before to turn this on, but instead of turning on our blinky light, we're going to turn on the motor. Let's build this guy. Set that up there and we'll pull this guy out here. So this side, except there's no switch, but other than that, this side of the circuit stays the same. In fact, the switch is completely out of it. So I'll pull this switch out and I'll just jumper this guy over here. Okay, so this is our light. This is going to hook into this guy. So I need to hook up this transistor right here. The emitter is going to go here. Okay, so there we go. So we've hooked this thing up. So that collector is going to go there. This motor is going to go here. This guy's going to go up here. This guy's going to go the collector as well. And the emitter is going to be tied directly to ground. Okay, there we go. I think I have this hooked up. So emitter to ground. Base is going to have this guy's emitter. Yeah, so it's going to go through there and there. So if I cover this, so if I just turn this on, I would expect this to sort of go. There we go. It's working okay. This is probably why they gave us this thing. So let's hook this up. It's not working great because if the light is coming in from the side, it's not gonna go well. It doesn't conduct super well. You can actually see it. See if I can get this to focus. There we go. You can actually see like there's almost a magnification effect looking at the chip that's in there. So it is doing that on purpose. So if I just kind of hide, let me turn this back on. So see there, it's turning on. Let me move this so you can see it. Off. On. Off. So that's what we're trying to do here. We're using this light to drive these two transistors, this phototransistor and then this regular transistor. But yeah, that's the whole point of this, is we've got some light coming in here that drives this phototransistor, which in turn drives this more power transistor here that causes this motor to turn ever so slightly. But of course, if I cover this, it's gone. But that's what we have for today. That'll be fun. Okay, that's it. I'll see you all tomorrow.